The recipe for this is at the bottom of the video in the description box. But in here I have whole wheat flour, I have cinnamon, I have cloves, I have ginger, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix that well. In here, plain yogurt and vanilla. I'm going to add honey. You can use maple syrup. This is raw honey. We're gonna add applesauce. This is homemade, guys, and I'm putting the link to a short of how I make it at home. Super easy. It has no sugar. I'm gonna add 3 eggs. These are big eggs and they're at room temperature, guys. And I'm just going to mix this well. I'm going to mix in my dry ingredients. We're going to fold in grated carrot. This is optional, but I'm adding chopped walnuts and raisins. We're now going to divide this into 2 prepared cake pans. And this, guys, is gonna go in an oven that has preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 176 centigrade, for between 25 and 30 minutes. We'll stick a pin in it and see how it's going. If it comes out clean, it's ready, and I'll see you when that. These are ready, guys. I'm gonna let them cool down completely, and then we will frost them. These are not 100% cool, but I am gonna take them out of the molds. Oh, nice, nice. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's so moist. I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese in this bowl. That is 225 grams, guys. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt to this. And now we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of raw honey. You can use maple syrup if you want. Beat it until you have no more lumps. Let's frost our cake. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, guys, so that the cream cheese hardens before I cut it. How easy was this? So easy and so much healthier than, let's say, my original carrot cake recipe, which is full of sugar and oil. Alright, let's cut into this. I'm gonna do it like we do in Bolivia. Here we have a very moist, very delicious piece of cake. Let's try this. That, guys, is very, very good. It's super moist. Oh, and very flavorful. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.